Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa another reading, and this is for the sign of Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin ni Leo at ang mga bago po nating viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung enerhiya o message na mababasa natin para sa'yo, Leo. Okay? So yung nag-flip is express your love. And soulmate. Okay, so we have one more. Unrequited love. It says here very soon. Okay. Okay, Leo. Ang sinasabi dito kasi, express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. I mean, kung meron kang may gusto o nagugustuhan ngayon o napupusuan, ipaalam mo, parating mo, sabihin mo, iparamdam mo, diretso dun sa tao para alam niya, no? Alam niya kung ano yung talagang tunay mong damdamin para sa kanya. Magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob at tapang para masabi ito kasi alam kong hindi madali yan. Normally kasi pag nandiligaw ka o yung talagang wala ka pang, hindi mo siya ganun kakilala, but talagang naramdaman mo lang na gusto mo siya, na nai-inlove ka sa tao na to, hindi madaling sabihin o i-open up yung sarili mo sa kanya para ipahiwatig yung talagang tunay mong damdamin. Ngayon, ang sinasabi dito, itong tao na to ang iyong soulmate. So, mas matindi. Kasi kung para ma-express mo nga, dahil matindi yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya, talagang ibig sabihin ay mas lalong kung ba dobleng kaba na mararamdaman mo. Kasi sa'yo, sa sarili mo, alam mo na ito na yung tao na to na talagang meant to be for you. O kaya na, this is the one. Ito na yung hinahanap mo na matagal na sa iyong buhay. Na dumating at maging, alam mo, makapiling, magkaroon ng karelasyon. Kaya, kung ba mas nakakakaba, ba? Kaya, hindi madali. No, it's not easy to express it. But of course, sabi ko nga, have the courage to do it, to say it, to let the person know. Now, yung unrequited love, there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep the relationship going. Well, this might be something na from the other party o yung ka-relationship mo. Baka ito yung naiisip mo na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. No? Na baka hindi siya attracted kasi possible that baka walang response o walang reply do sa mga pinapakita mo. Kasi sabihin na natin na nagkaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob na express mo. You feel strong that this person is really the one for you, ang soulmate mo. But somehow, it got to be disappointing kasi hindi siya nag-response dun sa gusto mong mangyari. Okay, so let us see kung ano yung makikita natin for tarot. Okay, may jumping card. We have the Six of Wands. And then we have Death. We have the Three of Swords. The Lovers. and the Tower. Wow. Bottom is the King of Cups. Okay, Leo. King of Cups. This is a water sign. Energy coming from a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. So, you might be dealing with a water sign. Now, alam naman natin na yung King of Cups is all about love. Siya yung hari ng pag-ibig. And definitely, pagdating dito, talagang alam mong tunay yung kanyang pag-ibig o pagmamahal sa'yo. No? Ang problema dito lang, minsan, sa King of Cups, hindi agad niya in-express yung kanyang damdamin. Okay? Which is, ito nga, express your love. No? Parang sinasabi, go ahead and make the dramatic gesture. Kasi, merong mga rason si King of Cups o yung person mo kung bakit hindi agad niya na-express fully. No? Hindi naman sa hindi lahat. But I think hindi yung buong buo na na-express niya. Now, with the High Priestess, this is an energy coming from a Pisces. Tahimik lang siya. No? Tahimik yung energy nitong water sign mo. And trying to observe, trying to see kung ano nang next na mangyayari. But, yung kanyang pagiging silent, ginagamit din niya kasi yung kanyang intuition on what to do, what is the best move dito sa sitwasyon nyo. Take it as it resonates, Leo. Pwedeng ikaw din to or itong person mo. You might have water in your sign. Go ba parang you just trying to see first kung ano na. And with the Fool, this is an energy coming from an Aries. You wanted to take that leap of faith. No? Gusto mo talaga mag-take ng risk. You wanted to let the person know kung ano yung nafe-feel. You wanted to talk to this person. I-express, no? Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. And, just go ahead and do it. But it seems that nag-iintay ka ng perfect timing na with the Three of Wands. Nag-iintay ka pa. Nag-iintay ka kung kailan mo gagawin ito with the Chariot. This is an energy coming from a Cancer. Okay? You are waiting for that movement, that fast movement, yung finally na talagang mag-move forward ka na. So everything seems to be na nakahang, nag-wait. Walang movement kasi andito yung Three of Wands. No? You are waiting for that movement or that chance or opportunity to express that love. Okay? First card mo dito is the Six of Wands. Gusto mong maging matagumpay itong relationship. Gusto mong maging matagumpay ka sa pag-express ng pag-ibig mo rito sa person na to. Ayaw mong maka-feel ng any rejection or sabihin natin frustration pagdating dito. Kasi mahal mo eh. You truly love this person. Kasi ang tingin mo nga sa kanya is your soulmate. Siyempre, pag soulmate ang tingin mo na sa tao, alam mo yung hindi mo to lolokohin. Talagang mamahalin mo to ng tunay. Buong buo, tapat, at wagas. Kaya yun ang minimithi mo. You're trying to, wanted to feel. Sana wini-wish mo na maging successful ako dito sa pag-express ko ng love dito. Maging kami, eventually. But somehow, with the Death card, this is an energy coming from a Scorpio. Something died. Something has ended. And it needs transformation. Kailangan ng pagbabago. Change. Maybe because baka nga walang nangyayari, no? Kasi ang nadulot sa iyo nito, itong pag-change na to, is the Three of Swords. Nagdulot siya ng pighati o sakit sa damdamin. That's why you need to make that decision. With the Lovers, this is an energy coming from a Gemini. You need to make that decision with this person na, shall I pursue further? Mag-iintay ba ako? Ano bang gagawin ko? Kasi the advice here is the Tower. No? Something that is truly unexpected is coming, Leo. Hindi mo to inaasahan. Masyashock ka. Magugulat ka. Hindi mo naisip, hindi mo to na-perceive na dadating sa'yo. So let us see. Let's clarify. Bakit andito yung Death? We have the Page of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Bottom niya is the King of Pentacles. Leo, in King of Pentacles, of course, alam naman natin na this is somebody that you wanted because it has stability, it has security. You feel na you are being taken care of, na wala kang dapat ipangamba kasi this person knows how to take care of you. You might be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or meron siya dito sa kanyang chart. Ngayon, ano ba yung nawala? Ano yung namatay? Ano yung nagbago? O nangangailangan ng pagbabago? Yung message of love. You are waiting for that message of love. But somehow, it didn't came. Hindi dumating. Bagkos, ang naramdaman mo ay hindi ka pinansin, hindi ka binigyan ng importansya, binaliwala ka. Napakalamig ng dating. With the Ace of Wands, napakalamig nung inaasahan mong pagbabago. Yung hinahanap mong init ng pagmamahal from this person, wala. Hindi nangyari. Bagkos, sabi ko nga, pakiramdam mo na etsapwera ka. Parang iniwan ka na lang dyan sa ere. Walang neha-neho. Okay? Yun yung namatay. Yun yung nawala. But andito yung Three of Swords. We have the King of Pentacles, the Strength, and the Star. Bottom niya is the Ace of Swords. Yung naging pain mo dito, no? Bakit nagkaroon ka ng sakit sa damdamin? With the King of Pentacles, again, if you're dealing with an earth sign, and this earth sign might have Leo, which is you, no? O ikaw to, take it as it resonates. Meron kang Leo on your chart. So, sumakit yung damdamin mo kasi hindi mo nakita yung pagiging, yung tawag dito, pagiging truthful. Yung pagiging makatotohanan. Hindi mo nakita yung lakas ng loob nitong tao, yung pinagdarasal mo, with the Star. You were wishing na sana maglakas ng loob na tong tao na to, na magsalita, na maging truthful, na magsabi, na ipaalam sa'yo kung ano talaga yung kanyang damdamin. But it didn't happen. Hindi nangyari. That is why nagkaroon ka ng pain, no? Nagkaroon ka lang ng frustration, heartache. And you're asking God na sana po magsabi na siya ng katotohanan, ipaalam niya o iparating niya sa'yo kung ano ba yung totoo. Bakit andito yung Lovers? We have the Nine of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Fool. Bottom niya is the Magician. The things that you need to decide, alam mo, Leo, kasi it is giving this situation sa'yo ng so much na pag-aalala, no? Too much worry. Nagwo-worry ka na eh. Hindi ka makatulog, sobrang na pag-iisip mo. Dahil intay ka ng intay. You've been waiting for such a long time na Leo. For this person to take that risk, to move forward, to take that leap of faith, na magkaroon na ng lakas ng loob, na ipaalam sa'yo kung ano ba talaga, kung may pagtingin din ba siya sa'yo. Yun yung dinidecide mo kung itutuloy mo pa ba to, kasi itutuloy mo pa bang to take that risk with this person? Kasi nga wala eh. There is nothing na nagpapahiwatig sa'yo na meron din siyang gusto. Or meron siyang gusto but hindi niya masabi. Alam mo yun? Surely naman may nakita kang sign from this person na alam mo yung may gusto rin siya sa'yo pero hindi lang niya masabi totally. Hindi niya ma-open up yung kanyang heart, yung kanyang emotion towards you. Kaya siguro naisip mo that this might be an unrequited love, no? Akala mo walang enough attraction or chemistry between the two of you, kaya parang wala, dinidedma ka lang, no? So, ba't andito yung Tower? Ba't andito yung Tower? We have the King of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Two of Wands. Bottom niya is the Chariot. Yung something that is unexpected, Leo, is truth from the King of Swords. Makikipag-usap ito sa'yo na hindi mo inaasahan. Magkakaroon na siya ng lakas ng loob. And with the Knight of Swords, mabilis ito. It will just happen. Out of the blue, it will just happen na makikipag-usap sa'yo to tell you everything na finally na-decide niya na to talk to you and open up. And because of that, you are now being faced with a decision based sa sinabi niya sa'yo. You wanted to know kung are you going to move forward with this person, with the Chariot. Kasi kung gaba parang nagsabi na siya, mabilis ito, hindi mo akalaing yung mangyayari agad. Kasi unexpected nga eh, no? Hindi mo to talagang inaasahan, hindi mo na inaasahan. Kung gaba parang surrender ka na nga kasi na wala talagang mangyayari eh. Kung gaba give up mo na to. But somehow, God has a different plan. It has turned. Umikot eh. Something happened. Kung bakit parang binibigyan ka ng pangalawang pagkakataon. To know exactly kung ano yung totoong feelings ng tao na to. Sabi ko nga, and this will be very, very fast. Mangyayari to na out of the blue. And because of what you have learned, you are being faced with the decision now. What is the next thing to do? Kung ano na yung next move. Dapat bang bigyan ng love and attention ni Leo, itong person niya, after that conversation? It says here no. Kasi marami ng pain na pinagdaanan. Maybe I guess yung time that has passed by is not easy to forget. Alam mo yun? Kung gaba parang Kasi this is the Ten of Swords. So this is an ending. Kung bibigyan mo ng halaga is, kung gaba ito na yung katapusan. This is the end. Wala na bang pag-asa yung person ni Leo? Is there yes, wala nang pag-asa. With the Chariot, wala nang pag-asa to move. No? May iba pa bang dadating na love para kay Leo? Yes, there will be a new offer of love. You know, maybe with the water sign, sabi ko nga. And this time, yung dadating na to, is this the one? Oh my God. Yes, the Sun. Leo, this is your card. Yes, definitely. This is the one. Ito na, yung susunod na love na to. If you are dealing with somebody else, maybe this is somebody na yung current mo or yung somebody from your past or an ex. Kasi sasabi dito na yung makakausap ni Leo, hindi na siya. So, wala na magiging movement. But there is somebody coming in, a new love. Maybe this is the soulmate. And it will be you'll be very happy and feeling na this is the one. Ito na talaga. Okay? So, tignan natin. Any more messages para kay Leo? Open your heart. Love is the highest energy of all. Let it in. Yes. Open your heart, Leo. You have the biggest heart. So, zodiac sign. Rendezvous. A private getaway from a private getaway from two is calling you. Okay, so parang you will be meeting up with this person. And friend zone. A lack of passion is in companionship. Okay, so kung gaba, I think you were friends, no? You were friends. Kung gaba, meron kayong kilala mo na to, this person, Leo, kilala mo na siya. Kung gaba, you are in a friend zone before, I think it will start to be as good friends. Which is good kasi magandang foundation yon sa relationship. And even after na naging kayo, if you could maintain that friendship, mas maganda, di ba? So, talagang magiging maayos yung takbo ng relationship with this new offer of love. Okay? So, huwag ka mawalan ng pag-asa. Everything will work out the way it is best for your highest good. No? Kasi, I think this is what God is planning for you. Kaya, just be patient, no? And continue what you're doing every day. And it will come. Love will come. True love will come. Okay? Maraming salamat, Leo. I hope nakatulong ito sa'yo sa paggagawa ng decision in the future. Salamat ulit sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa nito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.